class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. Okay, so I just have the topic for the subject here, that is GK. So welcome once again to your GK class. I Achal Singh welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, as you know that in the last session we had completed with all the chapters, with all the topics from our GK book. So today in today's session I am going to start the model test paper that is given at the back of your book. Okay. So let's begin with the model test paper 1, which is given at page number 82. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 82, that is model test paper 1. So I am just writing it here. This is model test paper 1, and this is given at page number 80. So all of you kindly write down the today's date on the page number 80. Okay, check. So let's begin with the model test paper 1. So this paper is this exercise is basically, or this model test paper is basically divided into 3 parts. The first one is the MCQ, second is identify the picture, third is the fill-ups, and the fourth is reorder the words. So let's begin with the first one. So the first MCQ is given in the A part. So the question here given is, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here some questions are given and we need to find out the correct options from the given. Okay, so the first question is, this is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Okay, first of all I just write that is MCQ or choose the right answer. So I'm starting with the choose the right answer. That is the A1. Now let's begin. Okay, so now we are talking about the first MCQ. This is the largest freshwater lake in the world. So which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? So the largest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Superior. So Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. So write down the answer for the first one, that is option number C, Lake Superior. So Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Okay. Moving next to the question number 2. This structure located in Istanbul, Turkey was a church before it was made up into a mosque. It is now a museum. So now I am talking about a monument, or I am talking about a structure. Okay, so earlier it was a church. After that it is converted into a mosque. Now it is at last it is converted into a museum. So सबसे पहले वो church था, then it was converted into a mosque, that is masjid. Now recently it is being converted into a museum. So what is the name of that structure? The option is Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, or Abern Gallipoli Mosque. So the answer is Hagia Sophia. So Hagia Sophia is a museum that is in Istanbul, that is located in the Istanbul, Turkey. So the answer for the question number 2 is option B, Hagia Sophia. That is Hagia, Hagia, Hagia Sophia, Sophia. That is Hagia Sophia. Okay, this is the B1. Moving next to the C1, the third one. The third is, she was the first Indian to hold the world #1 rank in badminton. So now we are talking about a badminton player who holds the world #1 ranking in badminton. So the answer is Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, or PV Sindhu. देखिए Sania Mirza, she is a lawn tennis player. That will not be in the options. The second is Saina Nehwal, and and the third is PV Sindhu. They both are badminton player, but the world number one ranking was held by Saina Nehwal. Okay, so don't get confused with the names Saina Nehwal and Sania Mirza. Saina and Saina. Some okay, we got confused. So just this is Saina Nehwal and Sania Mirza. Okay, so she was the first Indian to hold the world number one ranking in the badminton. The answer is Saina Nehwal. The option number B, that is Saina Nehwal. Okay. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is the river flows through the countries of China, India and Bangladesh. So now we are talking about a river that flows through India, China and Bangladesh. तो ये जो रिवर है जो तीनों जगह से इंडिया हो, चाइना हो या बांग्लादेश हो, इन तीनों कंट्रीज से होके गुजरती है. So what is the name of this river? So this is Brahmaputra, the longest river of the Asia. So this Brahmaputra river that flows through China, India and Bangladesh. So the answer for the question number 4 is option number A, that is Brahmaputra. Option number A, that is Brahmaputra. Brahma, Brahmaputra. The answer is Brahmaputra. Okay. Moving next to the fifth one. The question number 5 is, this is an animal rights organization that promotes vegetarianism and prevents cruelty against animals. So now we are talking about an organization that works for preserving the animal rights, and their work is to prevent the animals. Okay, so they work against the cruelty towards the animals. तो जो लोग animals के ऊपर अत्याचार करते हैं उसके लिए काम करती है. So they protect the rights of the animals. So what is the name of this organization? The option is PETA, Asian ILO. So that is PETA, People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, for animals. People for PETA के full form क्या है? People for Ethical Treatment for Animals. Okay, so this is the answer. So question was, this is an animal right organization that promotes vegetarianism and prevents cruelty against animals. The answer is PETA, PETA, PETA. The answer is option number A, that is PETA, PETA, that is PETA. Clear? So these are the answers from the choose the correct options. So you can pause your videos and write down in your notebooks. Chale. Moving next to the B1 of the same model test paper, that is identify the picture. The B1 is identify the picture. The B is identify the picture. Okay, so now the pictures are given. We need to identify the picture. So first picture that is given over here. So this is the picture of one of the famous building of Sydney, Australia. This is Opera House. So that is the largest, the biggest concert hall. Okay, that is in Sydney, Australia, and it is so popular because of its unique roof design. So the first picture is of Opera House. That's a concert hall in Sydney, Australia. The first picture is of Opera House. Moving next to the second one. Second picture. So this second picture is of one of the former cricketer or the former Indian cricket team captain. So who is he? He is Kapil Dev. So the second picture is of Kapil Dev. So Kapil Dev was a former Indian cricketer and he was also the captain of Indian cricket team, and under his captaincy only India has won its first World Cup. भारत ने अपना सबसे पहला जो वर्ल्ड कप है क्रिकेट में that is won by India under his captaincy only. Okay, चलो moving next to the third one. So third picture, she is okay. So who is she? She is Malala Yousafzai. So who is she? She is Malala Yousafzai. So Malala Yousafzai, she is the girl. Okay, so when she was 14, she has raised her voice for protecting the rights of the women, for women empowerment, for giving equal rights to men and women in Pakistan. So she is a Pakistani girl. Okay, and she has raised her voice for protecting the animal rights, sorry, the women rights, or to protect the women's, okay, and that their equality should be given to the women. So for that she has been also shot by the terrorist, but later on, after doing some surgeries, she was fine. Okay, so what's her name? And she has also been awarded with the Nobel Prize, Nobel Peace Prize. So who is she? She is Malala Yousafzai. She is Malala Yousafzai. Yousafzai. She is Malala Yousafzai. Moving next to the fourth one. Okay, sorry, Mala is Mala. It's not Mala, it's Malala. Malale. She is Malala Yousafzai. Okay? Moving next to the fourth one. So the fourth picture is, this is the fourth picture. So this is a picture of a plant. Okay, that is known as Venus flytrap. So whenever any insect or any fly sits in the leaves of this plant, it suddenly gets फटाक से बंद हो जाता है, and the bee or that fly that traps inside this plant. So that's why it is known as Venus flytrap, and it's a carnivorous plant. So this is Venus flytrap. The fourth picture is of Venus flytrap. That is Venus flytrap. Okay, so these are the answers for the B part, that is identify the picture. Chalo. Moving next to the C1. The C part is fill in the blanks. The C is fill in the blanks. The C is fill in the blanks. So, the first question is, the substance found in the horn of the rhinoceros is also found in dash. Okay, the substance found in the horn of rhinoceros is also found in the, okay, तो देखिए rhinoceros है, rhinoceros है, उसके बॉडी में एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस मिलता है जो कि हमारे हेयर में भी मिलता है. So that is a substance that is found in the rhinoceros as well as in the hair of the humans. Okay, so the question is, the substance found in the horn of the rhinoceros is also found in hair. That is in hair. Bal. H-A-I-R. That is hair. Second one. Dash is the largest ocean in the world. So which is the largest ocean in the world? That is Pacific Ocean. Okay, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ओशियन कौन सा है? That is Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The answer is Pacific. Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Third one. Third is, dash is a wind instrument that is generally made of brass and often used in jazz music. So now we are talking about an instrument, musical instrument, that is a wind instrument. Okay, and it is generally made of brass. So ये brass से बना होता है, and इसको jazz music में generally we use it. So what is that instrument? That is trumpet. So trumpet is the wind instrument that is generally made of brass, and it is also used in a jazz music. So the answer is trumpet. The answer for the third one is trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. That is trumpet. So trumpet is a musical instrument, musical instrument. It is also known as a wind instrument that is made of brass, and it is also used in jazz music. So that is trumpet. Next, that is a device that is used to check the patient's blood pressure. So patient का जो blood pressure है, okay, so the BP जिसको हम बोलते हैं, so this is a machine that is used for checking the patient blood pressure, the patient's BP. So what is the name of that machine? That is sphygmomanometer. Write down. That is sphygmo, S-P-H-Y-G, sphygmo, M-O-Mo, M-A, no, N-O, meter, M-E-T-E-R. This is sphygmomanometer. This is sphygmomanometer. That is a device, or it's a medical instrument that is used for checking the patient's blood pressure. Fifth, Dash was the youngest Prime Minister of India, and he made technology and the computers available to the common people. So now we are talking about the youngest Prime Minister. So who was the youngest Prime Minister of India? And he has also made the technology. The people are aware about the technology, the internet. इंडिया में कंप्यूटर, ये हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो थे वो हमारे इंडिया में कंप्यूटर्स और इंटरनेट को ही लेके आए थे. So who is he? He is Rajiv Gandhi, and he was also the youngest Prime Minister of India. Okay, वो हम सबसे कम उम्र में इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने वाले थे. And he is the father of Rahul Gandhi. So who is he? He is Rajiv Gandhi. So who is he? He is Rajiv Gandhi. Next, the sixth one. The sixth is Dash is the largest temple in the world, and it was built by King Suryavarman II. So now we are talking about the largest temple in the world, and it was built by the King Suryavarman II. So what is the name of that temple? So that is Angkor Wat. So Angkor Wat is the largest temple in the world. That is Angkor. A-N-G-K-O-R. Angkor Wat is the largest temple in the world, and Angkor Wat is the largest temple in the world, and this was built by King Suryavarman II. Moving next to the seventh one. Dash opened in 1937 in San Francisco, USA, and took less than 5 years to build. So now we are talking about a famous landmark. So that was built in San Francisco, USA, and it was completed by the year it was opened for the common public in the 1937. So actually we are talking about the bridge, that is Golden Gate Bridge. So that is included in one of the 7 wonders of the world. Golden Gate Bridge was opened for the common public in the 1937, and it was built just in 5 years. So that is located in the San Francisco, USA. So what is the name of this bridge? That is Golden Gate Bridge. This is the Golden Gate Bridge. This is Golden Gate Bridge. Moving next to the 8th one. The 8th is Dash is the name of the space mission, which is India's first venture. So now we are talking about the space mission. Okay. So now, so this is the name of the space mission, which is India's first venture, okay, on the study of the Mars. So India became the first country who has entered into the orbit of Mars, okay, through a mission. So what is the name of mission? And that was quite very popular. We have a movie on that. That is Mission Mangal. So that is made on the mission that is known as MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission. That is Mars Orbiter Mission. So that is Mars Orbiter Mission. So this was a mission. Okay, so ये Mars Orbiter MOM जिसको बोलते हैं. So under this mission, जो there was a satellite, एक मंगलयान गया था, इसको मंगलयान मिशन भी बोलते हैं, जो स्पेस में गया था. हमारा जो इंडिया तो पहला कंट्री था जिसने कि मार्स के ऑर्बिट में एंटर किया था. Okay, so that is MOM. So what is the name of the mission? That is Mars Orbiter Mission, or you can say it as a MOM. इसको MOM भी बोलते हैं. That is Mars Orbiter, O-R-B-I, Mars Orbiter Mission, M-I-S-S-I-O-N. That is Mars Orbiter Mission. So these are the answers from 1 to 8 that is given over here. The first is here, second is Pacific Ocean, third is trumpet, fourth is sphygmomanometer, fifth is Rajiv Gandhi, sixth Angkor Wat, seventh is Golden Gate Bridge, and the last is Mars Orbiter Mission, also known as Mangalyaan Mission. Clear? So this is my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.